What's up, guys? This is Jason with Zero to Programmer. I am finding out that the editing tools take a little bit of time to get used to. So I'm having to do this the unofficial way, I guess you'd say. So I'm recording on my iPad as I'm on my desktop, which is pretty hard. So we're going to go over here to Program Systems, and we're just going to check out the HTML, how it kind of looks as a basic format, and I already have one kind of built up here. Yeah, that's on Notepad. So yeah, you just open up Notepad, and you would type in, first you type in the HTML open tag, which you see here is the left arrow HTML right arrow, and then put a space, and you can have your title here, and basically you just put a tag that says title in it, capital letters. You would put what you want inside it to say, and then this left arrow close title, right arrow. And so that's going to be how you open and close everything pretty much in HTML. Header be right here. Header open, header close. Whatever you put in between here is going to show up on the actual page. This title I'll show you is actually going to show like right here. So this is the actual title of this window. And this inside here would actually be the body. Let me get this off here. And then so the body would actually be, so actually let me rephrase what I just said. The header, or the head, would be like the title of the page. It usually comes up like right here at the beginning. Excuse me. And the body would be actually what we have here, since we actually don't have a header here. And then after you do all this, then you would close, so left arrow backslash HTML right arrow, and that would close your HTML. And so I'm going to open this up, and how you save this, I'm just going to show you this real quick, is you can either save as index.html or index.htm, I believe is what it's, make sure that's right, HTML, and I think the other one is HTML. But you can either save as index.html or default.html or index.html, and then default.html. So either four of those ways. You only have 4 ways you can save that. So you save that. I usually save to the desktop, so it's a lot easier. But actually now I have folders that I keep everything in. But initially I usually just save to the desktop. It's easier to find. And so we're actually going to, so I've already saved this, so we're going to save that, and then we're going to click File and click Open, and we're going to, oh, I'm sorry, back that out. We're not actually going to do that. We're going to, let's go ahead and minimize this, and we can right click here and go to Open With and Google Chrome, and as you see, this will actually open up a local Google Chrome window. So it's not actually on the internet yet, but it shows up as it would on the internet. So you saw I put in HTML test. I'm sorry this is so shaky. You saw I put in HTML test. You see up at the top right there, that's where it says HTML. And if we were to put a, let me see if I can even myself out a little bit. Right here would be like the title. So if you put anything in between that title area right there, that would be that. And then if you had a body like your paragraphs and whatever, that would be right in this area. And there's different ways you can place it, and I will go over some of those ways in the next few videos. So yeah, this is like the cheapest way you could ever record a video. Um, one of my computers, my desktop I'm on right now, is having issues. I bought a mic the other day, and it was a really cheap mic, and it's not doing very well. It's very quiet, and I've tried troubleshooting it, but everything is maxed. Like all my options are maxed out, and it's still just so quiet you can barely hear it. So, and my headphones itself are working fine. So there's something that's just not working right. So I'm actually going to return those and see if I can find a different one and see how that works out. So yeah, like I said, right now I'm just recording on my iPad as I'm on the desktop. So that's why it's so shaky and my arm is like trying to give out. So yeah. Also, I am. If you look on the page, I'm starting to do a little bit of JPEGs and stuff just to kind of pretty it up a little bit. But I'm going through some of the editing software and kind of learning it. So the videos will start getting better, I promise you. But for right now, this is what we got. So yeah. Next time, I'll probably make another video today, kind of probably ranting or something, but definitely just a regular blog. But within the next few days, I'll probably make another HTML, hopefully tomorrow. And we'll kind of break everything down a little bit more. And as I learn, I will teach. And apparently they say that's the best way to learn, is to teach, because you have to break everything down to explain it. So yeah, we're gonna cut it right here, and I'll get back with you later today about a blog. Alright, take care. This is Jason with Zero to Programmer, and I'll see y'all on the road.